Okay, let's start. Start with Brookhaven. Haven? I'm not sure.
It's Brookhaven.
Brookhaven, okay.
By the way, they can't hear me because of your thing. Your headset, they can't hear me.
No!
Where is it?
I'm gonna be tiny.
Is I'm outside?
Since I'm tiny.
I don't know where it is.
Let me go look around.
I'm gonna make this look like me.
Shut up!
Leave me out, woman.
Go lay down.
No.
No, here he is. Come on, Shep.
Should I run?
Oh,
Should I run?
go lay down.
Should I run?
Oh.
I'm just gonna act like I don't see you. No. You see this right now. She literally changed the controls. How did I change the controls? Basically, at these, since I can't use the other controls because someone changed them. I can't hear it. Huh? I'm gonna change this to a Jeep. Cause why not? Cemetery. Alright. Cemetery. I told you I was sick. It's so cool that these items actually work. Dang it. Oh, there we go. Barely ever made it. Woo. Had to move my microphone. Okay. Better poking. We're gonna be a student. And we're gonna turn taller since this is a high school. I think this is tall enough, yeah. Dogecoin. I got a purple book. Oh, a guitar. Whoa. What's this? Restaurant. Yeah, no. Wait. Is it the same from? Oh, it's realistic. Like, I can change this to spotlight is. Let's do yellow. Because they're the only color. Huh? Oh, it's brown the stairs the entire time. I am sorry about that. I'm gonna work at the hospital. I'm totally a doctor. Totally. I'll be the best doctor ever. Totally. Why can't I be a doctor? There it is. Sleep. Surgery. But we need that. I need a uniform. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But why does it show the fingerless gloves in my character? Am I not allowed to have fingerless gloves? Really? 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 Probably yelling. But I gotta act like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. No. Don't even know what language you're speaking. Hospital closed. Food tonight. Oh. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I get it now. I can turn the microphone on and off. Dang it. I'm gonna have to log out. Oh, it's only been 10 minutes. But I guess let's play something else. Ooh! Oh, it's been 11 minutes. And I'm not louder so I can get it for you. No, I'm a patient.
What are you doing? You're filming in complete darkness.
You're lucky you have the microphone off.
Sorry.
You can turn the microphone on and off.
Alright.
Setting. Alright.
Because I'm gonna film a YouTube video with my headset too.
I'm gonna be patient. I'm here. Am I keeping this close to my mouth so you can hear me? Just ran into glass. Are you kidding me? Because it said zombie. Oh, it's not going there. It's not going there. I'm not holding it. Because the doctor did it right. I have no clue what I'm doing.
Are you playing Brookhaven?
No.
What are you playing?
I'm playing a doctor or hospital game.
Is your microphone off?
No.
Oh my god.
It's on. But this is my sister.
Oh my god. Is there a face cam on?
No.
I got lucky this time.
She's gonna go check the whole channel. Link in the description.
Are you really gonna link my channel in the description?
Yeah.
This is the link pay in. On that computer, we cannot copy links.
Oh, I mean like the name.
Just put my name in. Just put my name in the description and I can look me up.
And then I gotta go check out the comments because last video I asked what they want to see me do.
You actually gonna upload this to YouTube?
Yeah. You could do this.
I know that.
And I'm keeping it close to my mouth, so basically they can hear what I'm saying. I forgot to turn my microphone off. I try to keep my microphone off when I cough, so it don't disturb you. No! No, I want to fry it. We're going up. Alright. Now I'm at E. This is such a tiny island. I'm gonna land.